Is TikTok not working properly right now? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with TikTok right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. So on your TikTok it may say if you uploaded a video, it can say that you have 0 views, or it can say that it's under review. Also, it can say that has 0 comments, so you are not able to get any views. So this is a problem that I was told it was on TikTok. To fix this problem, you should try to restart your phone, uh, uninstall the app and then reinstall it again, clear the cache and the data from your settings, from your phone's settings of the app. And if you still have problems, you just have to go to your TikTok, to their support, and tell them your problem and to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. You are not the only one who has trouble with TikTok right now, so you don't have to worry about it. If it's still not working, they will fix this as soon as possible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for new updates about this topic. And you can comment in the comment section down below your problems from your TikTok right now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.